All right, good morning, boys. What is up? Today is Wednesday, January 14th. Not the best trading days in trading day, in my opinion. I did make around $3,500 today, 750 across 5 accounts. I am trading with Lucid 150s. I do believe they are the best accounts in the industry, right? So buys today was extremely bearish. Literally sent out my buys to the premium Discord this morning. Said I want to see all these lows get taken out right here. Right, I want to see all these lows get taken out right here. I want to see this hourly gap get respected. There's no reason for price to push any higher because the 4-hour time frame is extremely bearish on the 4-hour time frame. I just realized you guys can't see my full chart. There we go. On the 4-hour time frame, we inverse this bullish gap. No reason for price to push any higher right now. We see the 4-hour inverse open high. We see us reject this 1-hour bearish gap. What do I see at this point in time? I'm looking at these lows right here. I'm saying, all right, we're rejecting this hourly gap. We're clearly respecting this 15-minute order block as well. What is now resting below us? Right? And the answer to that was these lows, right? What do I notice? We make a 5-minute bearish gap right here. We're tapping into that gap, respecting it. And that gap also happens to be inside OTE of a range. So we respect OTE, we respect the 5-minute gap, and we get a 1-minute CISD and IFEG from it. I really like to use it as just displacement. There was no break-even point for me because I am trading market open shorts right now, so price could easily just come up and wake me out, which is exactly what happened. If I wanted to go break-even at this swing low, I would have gotten break-even. I didn't like that. I didn't like the concept of going break-even on this trade, so I held throughout the entire trade to this low, right? Shorts were entry here, stops were right above this candle. Now the reason I didn't hold all the way to take profit, I'm going to go over this right now because I did take this trade with 2 contracts. I tried exiting right here. I tried exiting after we took out the swing low just because the way price closed on ES was bullish, right? The closure we got at 9:30 on ES was a bullish candle. So I was worried that price might have actually wanted to just rip to London highs and midnight open because that is not likely because that is not where order flow and price is telling us price wants to go. But that is a possibility. You always have to realize that there is a possibility that price will want to go towards these draws on liquidity up here. So when I see ES close bullish, pretty bullish coming out of this range, and I see Nasdaq basically close flat, I just moved. I didn't move my take profit, but I manually exited. I'll post the video now on Instagram. You guys can see it. I tried manually exiting once we took out this swing low, but price wicked up and filled me for 700 instead of 1,000, which is kind of unfortunate. Not much we can do about it, but damn, that good dump. I do want to see all these lows get swept, like I mentioned before. And I think that's what we're going to get now. ES is lagging, bro. ES is lagging. We have yesterday's London lows too. That's what these are. We have yesterday's London lows that we have to take out. But yeah, pretty clean trading day. I was only open as shorts. I wasn't really open to longing. I told the Discord if price rips, it's going to be because we have... What the fuck just happened? I did tell the Discord if price rips, it's only going to be because of midnight open and London highs being above us, right? And maybe we do want to rebalance that range further. But I was very bearish. 5-minute gap, OTE. 1-minute displacement that also gave us a change in state and delivery. What is a change in state and delivery? You sweep the internal high and then you get a candle closure below the body that caused the sweep to the upside, which is this one right here. And as you can see, we end up retapping into that with a bearish gap and then we push lower from there. Hindsight, I should have made $1.7 thousand, almost $1.7 thousand per account today. Very unfortunate that I did not trade to full take profit. I took profit halfway, and I also got a bad fill, which is kind of stupid. But there's not much to complain about. Should have definitely held. I just didn't like the way that ES was forming bullish structure at the time. I was somewhat against that. So I did have to close early because of that, just intuition. Intuition was wrong, and we're about to take out yesterday's on the lows as well. But overall, pretty clean trading days. If you guys have any questions, if you guys want to join the free Discord, all of that will be linked in the description for you guys to go join. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Any questions, feel free to ask me. And safe trading. I'll see you boys tomorrow.